up, guys? Back with another video, and today we are going to be doing a Pokemon pack opening. It's only one because I don't have that much money.
So,
okay, opening. You know the card trick?
yeah.
3 for the top, 4 on the bottom.
Here's the code.
Oh, they didn't see. Okay.
3.
Show the camera.
Okay, this is what we're working with.
Hey, it's an end trainer. End
Okay.
trainer. I can't read because we're walking. Okay, just go. Just pull out the card. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Please. Please.
Okay.
Fennekin. I think this is...
I think it's a reverse hollow.
Oh, no, not yet. Okay, after this one for sure, it's a reverse hollow. Ready?
It has to be reverse hollow.
Oh, Diglett. Ugh.
Okay, wait, stop. Pull the other card. Oh my gosh! No way!